Hi students, did you complete previous class homework? I think you completed. Okay, everyone follow the class and you have to complete homework regularly. Okay, yes. So before going to start this class, once I am revising you about your previous class. So what we discussed in our previous class, what is the topic? What is the name of topic? Yes, our teeth. So we discussed about teeth. Is it right? Okay. What are the use of teeth? We can chew food items, stare, bite, everything we are doing with the help of teeth. Means we can make the food particles, big food particles into small food particles. So they located in our mouth, and there are 4 types of teeth. Is it right? What are they? Yes. What is the first one? Canines. Is it right? Canines? No. Incisors. First one incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Some sharp are there, some flat are there. So some are useful for tearing purpose, biting purpose. Okay. Some are useful for chewing and grinding purpose. And we discussed about structure of tooth also. Is it right or not? Yes. So what is there? Some of the tooth part is not appearing, that is located inside our gums, that is called root, and which is appearing outside, white color substance is that is appearing to us, that part is called enamel, that is the hardest part, that is enamel. Okay, and inside the enamel what is there? So what is appearing outside? Crown. So on the crown one layer is there, hardest layer, that is called enamel. Okay, and inside the enamel dentin part is there, that is some soft substance, it has soft substance, that is called pulp. In the pulp one nerve is there and one blood vessel also is there. So this is our previous class. Is it right? Yes. Now we are going to discuss with another topic. So the topic is, what is that? Yes, before going to this topic, I am asking you one question. If you observe around you, what are seeing? Yes, you are seeing some things. You are seeing plants, you are seeing buildings, and you are seeing roads. What you are seeing still? Yes, you are seeing animals, you are seeing human beings, everything. Vehicles are there, very good. Some, if you enter on the road, so many vehicles also passing away. Is it right? Yes. Like this, you are seeing so many things. We are all seeing, not only you. Is it right? Yes. In them, we are going to discuss about animals. We are going to discuss about animals. Okay. So these animals, different kinds of animals are living with us, around us. Is it right? Yes. All animals feel hungry. They are getting, how we are getting, suppose we are all coming to the school. Okay, after 2 periods, what is there? After 2 periods, we have break time. So our brain is saying to you, right, something you need, your brain is asking something you. So now break is there, you have to eat something. Or somebody bringing biscuits, chocolates, grapes, like that, some bringing. So your brain is saying to you something. Now after 2 periods, some break is there, you have to eat some snacks, like that saying. Is it right? Yes. So in the same way, how we are feeling after in the lunchtime, how is there? Inside empty stomach is there, something is happening inside. So you feel hungry. I want to take some food. I want to eat some food now. Like that your brain is saying to you. Is it right or not? In the same way, animals also feel hungry. Animals also feel hungry. That is why what they will do? They eat food. They feel hungry, and that is why they eat food also. How we are eating food? In the same way, they also taking food items. So with this food item, they are getting same energy. They stay healthy. They can grow in size. Like that. Is it right? How we feel hungry, how we need food, In the same way, animals also feel hungry. They also need food. With this food, they are getting energy. Is it clear? Yes. And one more thing is, what is that one more thing? Human beings. Suppose human beings. We are all human beings. Is it right? What type of food we are eating daily? Rice, food, sambar, dal. Okay. Morning session, breakfast is there. Every Sunday we are eating. Someone must take bringing mutton, chicken, eggs, fish. Such type of food we are eating. We are taking daily in our daily activities. Okay, in 1 week, if you see different food items we are eating. What are it? Vegetables and chicken, mutton, like that we are eating. Is it right? But if you see in the animals, some animals are eating one type of food. Will they eat same food? No. See, if you see in human beings, we are all eating rice maximum. Is it right or not? Yes. But in the animals, not like that. Some animals are eating one type of food, and some animals are eating another type of food. Is it right? So, according to their food habits or eating of food, animals are divided into 5 types or 4 types. Sorry, 5 types. Animals are divided into 5 types according to their eating food. Are you listening? Animals are divided into 5 types. How they divided? According to their eating food. Okay. So in them, what are the 5 types? First one is herbivores. Herbivores. Okay. Second one is carnivores. Third one is omnivores. What is this? Omnivores. Fourth one is scavengers. And the fifth one is parasites. Mainly, these are the 5 types of animals according to their food habit, eating of food. According to their eating food, animals are divided into 5 types. First one is herbivores, second one carnivores, third one omnivores, fourth one scavengers, fifth one parasites. Is it clear? Say all of you. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and parasites. Okay. So, what they eat? They are eating different food. All animals are not taking same food. They are eating different foods. According to their eating food wise, they divide into 5 types. So, here these are the 5 types. Okay. Here first one, what is that? Herbivores. What is that? Herbivores. Herbivores, what is the meaning of herbivores? What they eat? Which type of animals are there in the herbivores? Means they eat only plants. They eat only plants. Is it right? Second one is carnivores. They eat only meat or flesh. They eat only meat or flesh. Clear? Omnivores. They can eat both. They can eat both plants and flesh. They can eat both plants and flesh. Clear? Now scavengers. Scavengers means they can eat dead animals. Eat dead animals. Okay? And parasites. So these parasites are grow on other animals. Grow on other animals. Other animals, and they take food items from the host. So on which animal they are living, so they are taking food, no? Yes. So that food they will take, these parasites are taking food from that animals. Okay. So these are the 5 types of animals according to their food, eating food. Okay. Now we are going to discuss first of all herbivores. What are herbivores? What are herbivores? What are herbivores? Animals that eat only plants. Animals that eat only plants or grass. Do you know grass? Green color is there. Yes. Some animals are there. Generally, we are seeing some animals. They are eating only plants or grass. They never eat other things. Okay. Such type of animals are called herbivores or herbivorous animals. Is it clear? What is that? Animals that eat only plants, are called herbivores. Clear? What are herbivores? Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Clear? And they have flat and sharp teeth. They have flat and sharp teeth. That is why they can eat plants, grass. They can bite grass like that, and chew the grass. They can eat and chew the grass. And plants also. How they can chew? With the help of flat and sharp teeth. They can chew the grass and the plants. Is it right? So they also have a sharp biting teeth, strong grinding teeth. That is right. They also have sharp and grinding teeth. They also have grinding teeth. They also have grinding teeth. Okay. They have flat and sharp teeth. With the help of this flat and sharp teeth, they can cut grass and plants. After that, what they will do? With the help of grinding teeth, they can chew food item. They can chew grass and plants or leaves, whatever. Okay. What are the examples? Here we are seeing for examples of herbivores: elephant, cow. Say some examples. What are they? Goat, giraffe, zebra, etc. Is it clear? What are herbivores? Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They have flat and sharp teeth. With the help of sharp and flat teeth, they eat, they bite, they cut the plants or grass. So with the help of grinding teeth, they can chew the food items, means plants and grass. And what are the examples? Elephant, cow, goat, giraffe, zebra, etc. Like that, so many animals are there. They are eating only plants or grass. Is it clear? And in these animals, I written here animals. In these herbivores, some animals have special features. What are they? Suppose if you take elephant. Do you see anytime elephant? It is in big size. How is that? It is in bigger size. And what is there for elephant? What is the special feature? Some different is there, no? What is that? Yes, it has long trunk. It has longer trunk. So why it has long trunk? With the help of long trunk, they can bend the trees, big trees. Height are there, some height trees are there. With the help of trunk, they can bend them, or they can break down the branches of trees, and after that they will eat the leaves. This is trunk. What is that? Trunk. This is the special feature, special character of elephant. And then in the same way, if you see giraffe, do you see any time giraffe? Yes, if you see in the giraffe, what is the special character? It has long neck. Long neck. That is why it is so much height is there. Height is there. So much height is there. So why it has long neck? So long neck is the special feature in giraffe. Why it has long neck? When it has long neck, it can eat leaves of height plants. Some plants are growing height. That is why they can eat with the help of long neck easily. These are the special characters. Clear? Yes. Next one is, what is the second one? Yes, omnivores. Sorry, carnivores. What is that? Carnivores. Second one is carnivore. So the animals that can eat only other animals are called carnivores. Clear? What are carnivores? First of all, we discussed about herbivores. They eat only plants. Now we are discussing here carnivores. Animals that can eat only other animals. Means they can eat only flesh of other animals. So this type of animals are called carnivores or carnivorous animals. Is it clear? Yes. So what is the specialty? What is there in the carnivores? See, in them they have well developed teeth. They have well developed teeth. Is it right? And they have sharp teeth. They have sharp teeth. Okay. And with the help of sharp teeth, means some animals have sharp teeth. Suppose if you see birds also are there. So these birds, some birds have claws, sharp claws. In the animals, birds also coming, and in the same way, animals also coming. Okay. So they have sharp claws. Suppose if they are birds, means like eagle, like that. Okay. And with the help of these claws and with the help of these sharp teeth, they can eat flesh of other animals. What are the examples of carnivores? Fox. Okay. Snake. Lion. Tiger. These are the examples of carnivores. What are they? Fox, snake, lion, tiger, and if you see in birds means eagle, owl. These are the birds, examples of carnivores. See, these animals or birds, they can eat only flesh. They can eat only flesh. Clear? Okay? So these are the carnivores. Animals that eat only other animals are called carnivores. Example, what is the special characters? They have well developed teeth and sharp teeth are there. So if you take if they are birds means they have sharp claws and they have sharp beak also. They have sharp beak. So with the help of claws, beak and the sharp teeth, they can eat the animals easily. So examples: fox, snake, lion, tiger. These are the animals. If you see in the birds means eagle, owl. These are the examples for birds. They eat only flesh. This is about carnivores. Is it clear? Yes. Next one is omnivores. What is that? Omnivores. Animals that can eat both plants and animals. Both plants and in the same way flesh of other animals. Flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. They are called omnivores. Got it? You? Animals that can eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. So these animals also have sharp teeth, sharper teeth and flat sharp teeth and sharp and flat teeth. Sharp and flat, both type of teeth are there. Sharp and flat teeth are there in them. So they can, that is why they can eat sometimes plants and they can eat sometimes flesh of other animals. Is it clear? So that is why we are calling them omnivores or omnivorous animals. So what are the examples? See, cat. Cat, hen, bear, crow, etc. Okay. Cat, hen, bear, crow, etc. These are the examples for omnivores. Next one is, what is the next one? Scavengers. Very good. What is that? Scavengers. Fourth one is scavengers. What they will do? These animals eat both plants and animals and they are dead. They can eat dead animals, dead and decaying matter. What of it? They can eat dead and decaying matter. So these type of animals are called scavengers. Okay, and what are the examples? So examples, what are they? If you see in the birds, eagles are there. Eagles, hawks are there. If you see in the animals, these are the birds. These are the birds. And if you see in the animals, pigs and dogs. Pigs and dogs. These are the animals. These are examples for scavengers. Examples for scavengers. Scavengers means they can eat dead and decaying matter. Decaying animals or plants, whatever it. Dead animals. They can eat dead animals. Okay. So if you see in the birds, eagles, hawks, crow also. Crow. Generally we are seeing on the roads, if any rat, bandicoot like that, some members throw outside. They throw on the road. So that is why crows, eagles, they will come slowly and they will take and go with the help of sharp claws. Is it right? And crows are eating directly their own. So that is dead animal. That is dead animal. So which animals are eating dead animals? So that type of animals are called scavengers. Okay. In the we are seeing them in the boats. We can see in the animals what are they? Pigs, dogs. We can see these animals near the garbage areas. So they are searching food in the garbage. They will dig that one and they can eat the food items. Okay. Next, another one is parasites. What is that? Parasites. This is fourth one. Fifth one. Parasites. Parasites nothing but they are living on other animals. They are living on other animals. So on which animal they are living, that is called a host. That is called a host. So they need a host. They need a host. What are the examples? Which animals are living on other animals? See examples: bed bug. Bed bug. Okay, hookworm. Leech, louse. Okay, these are the examples for parasites. These animals are living on other animals. What are parasites? Means they live on other animals. They live and they depend on other animals. Other animals. So which animals are depending on other animals? They are called parasites. So on which animal they are living, they are depending. So that animal is called host. Okay. So what are the examples? So these are the examples. What are they? Bed bug, hookworm, leech, louse. Do you know louse? Yes, we are saying them. Pelu. Pelu. We are saying pelu. So they are living on our head also, especially in the girls and ladies. Is it right? Why? Because they have thick hair, no? And long hair is there. So that is gents is there. That is why they are living on our head. So that is living on our head. That is why we are called here host. They are the louse is called a parasites. Clear? Yes. Next, I am giving to you homework. I am giving to you homework. This is homework. Okay. What is that? What are herbivores? What are carnivores? Dash eat dead animals. Dead and decaying animals. Okay. Okay, this is homework. Okay, na? What are herbivores? What are carnivores? Dash eat dead and decaying animals. And in our in our next class, we will discuss about plants. About plants. This is our next class. In our next class, we will discuss about plants. Thank you, everyone.